Welcome to the fifth installment of my little series where I'm going through and analysing 10 B2B websites. So I found these websites on a Crunchbase article. That's about the extent of the research I did, although they are in fairly different industries, apart from this one, and I'll explain that in a second. So what I do is I have a look, and then subjectively, I must add, assess the website based on kind of seven elements, and they are my initial reaction, the quality of the site above the fold, messaging and positioning, the demo and/or free trial page, the structure, the overall structure, the product marketing in terms of how do they position their products like benefits and features, and then lastly, the conversion opportunities. Two disclaimers as always, I'm only doing this on the desktop version of these sites. And secondly, this isn't an attempt or an opportunity for me to kind of rip apart the site and be hugely critical. It's hopefully informative, interesting, and entertaining. And hopefully you can take away some cool things that companies are doing and integrate them or emulate them on your own site, and maybe dodge a bullet by avoiding some of the things that you don't think are so good. Again, this is purely subjective. And then the last thing is that using Loom, which is what I'm recording this video on, really slows down my computer. So the website itself, including videos and stuff, might seem slow, but that's my fault, not the website's fault that we're looking at. So big reveal for today is Demodesk. Demodesk.com. I'm excited to do this one because I think it really speaks to the kind of clients that I work with, who are always trying to improve the demos that they give to their prospects. Okay, so first reaction, it's nice and clean. There's some interesting stuff going on. So the right-hand side, actually, it's fairly balanced. But let's start with the right-hand side. So we've got in a hero image here of our stock photo of someone on a silver computer. Then we've got stuff coming up, overlay. Your colleague is shadowing, find answer. Competitor, Acme. Not sure what that's doing. It's obviously a product element. And then on the very right-hand side, the chatbot has kind of just auto opened and it's offering me to see what Demodesk is, the future of sales blog, or just browsing. Okay, so I don't want to do any of those things at the moment. Yeah, it's pretty decent, although it's slightly too busy for me. On the left side, we've got kind of the tagline, the value proposition, the dual conversion elements. So we've got get a demo and try for free. So we've also got to get a demo up here. So they're kind of a demo-led company by the looks of things, rather than kind of product-led by offering a free trial. And they do offer it, but it's not as prominent. Then they've got some social proof here. So let's have a look. So momentum leader fall this year, high performer from fall this year, best support mid-market. That's cool. You just see there's a little peek of some of the companies they work with. Okay, so it's nice, nice clean menu. Oh, lovely. Look at that. I like a clean menu. There's five, but four prominent options on the menu. If you compare that to some of the other companies we looked at, please feel free to go back and watch my previous videos if you haven't seen them. We're talking menus that are like this big. This is just really simple. And it's like, here's the things our product does: scheduling meetings, assistant coaching, and then there's integrations. Love that. Solutions, pricing, nice to have pricing. A few resources, great. Nice, really good so far, I think. Okay, so let's have a look at the copy. Does it pass the robot test? So the robot test is when we look at the main copy, so the tagline and the value proposition, and do we feel like it's been written by a robot? That could be a copywriting AI bot, but what I mean is SaaS is often seen as this like serious, uptight kind of industry, and B2B, sorry, especially, not just SaaS. But it's not, right? You're talking to human beings. Those human beings just usually tend to be at work. So I want to always see if the copy is robot copy or human copy. So supercharge your sales meetings. Okay. Demodesk assists reps live during the call, provides insights into what's working, and automates all scheduling processes. Let's read that again. Demodesk assists reps live during the call, provides insights into what's working, and automates all scheduling processes. Okay, yeah, that passes the robot test. I don't feel like that's written by a robot. the kind of paragraph here is kind of clunky, but it's okay. I want to obviously know how it supercharges them. I don't think it really tells me here. Like things like insights and automates and stuff like that are all very vague kind of SaaS terms. Okay, so we've got some companies. So they work with Personio, Treatwell, Forto. Okay, this is a German company. Makler, yeah, this must be a German company. Okay, so let's see. Um, why doesn't this? Okay, this doesn't seem to work. Okay, I guarantee you this will say DE underneath there. Demodesk enables revenue teams to win more deals faster. 50% faster speed to lead time for user centrics. 50% faster speed to lead time. Okay. 30% higher demo conversion rates. Okay, that's the biggie, right? That's the biggie. Do they mean to get a conversion, or do they mean no? They must mean in demo conversions, right? Demo to customer, 30% higher, 25% time saved on manual tasks. I never know how you quantify that, but fair enough. 40% ramp up and onboarding. Okay, this is the good one. This is good, but I don't quite know what that means, if I'm honest. Demodesk enables revenue teams to win more deals faster. A kind of a theme that you might have seen on these videos is that often the secondary sort of headlines for me should be the primary, right? So this is really clear. So what is Demodesk? It enables revenue teams to win more deals faster. Okay, and then here is the proof. So that should sort of be up here, in my opinion. Anyway, see Demodesk in action. Where does that take us? Where's the link? Okay, it just takes us further down. Right. Okay, so now we're looking, I'm guessing, at product features. Okay, there's a very different style, isn't there now? But that's okay. Scheduling. Okay, so automate scheduling, book more meetings, achieve fair meeting distribution, and improve speed to lead all in one place. Okay, so that's good. So distributing demos amongst sort of sales teams, right? SDRs and AEs and stuff can be very political. So it's nice that this is kind of a scheduling tool. You can do that with HubSpot with the lead rotator capability, but that's kind of irrelevant. Okay, so one thing, I'm going to be a pedant here, right? So they are using the Oxford comma in this bit of copy, but they haven't used it here. No, they haven't. Okay, so this doesn't really matter, but people like me see that anyway. So we've got book a meeting with Sam Sales. Sam's surname is Sales, LOL. Okay, so that's nice. Learn more. I'm guessing that just goes to the scheduling page. Yes, it does. I like the graphics. They look nice. They're not too busy, but they're also quite human. Like they're quite fun. Meetings boost customer engagement. Let prospects interact with your product or sales content without having to share your messy desktop. Create an interactive and seamless meeting experience where reps can focus on sale without Okay, so it's kind of a whiteboard technology. That is nice. Is that up here? Oh, that's in meetings. Okay. Assistant. That's not there, is it? Yes, it is. Steve, just read the menu. Guide sellers in real time. Automatically load the perfect playbook into every meeting. Engage prospects with interactive content and tailored pitches using deep insights synced to and from your CRM. Okay. So they'll have to tell us about integrations at some point, I'm guessing. Yeah, here they are. Salesforce, Gong, Pipedrive, and HubSpot. Coaching, understand what's working, get better visibility and understand why top sales reps are successful. Use these insights to coach reps at scale and ramp reps faster with real-time shadowing and analytics. Okay, so there's this kind of feedback feature that you can get on your sales performance and how to do better with future prospects. We saw that, I think, in Box Step, where you could get sort of post deal insights or post close lost insights, which I think is cool. I'd love to see how that actually works and if sales reps find that useful. Why customers love Demodesk. Okay, so we've got yeah, these definitely German. Literally every one of my reps has become more productive. Demodesk helps reduce ramp up time by 50%. Nice. So there's also some stats. We're seeing significantly higher win rates. Okay, cool. Seamlessly connect with your sales type. So this is important. So what does it integrate with? All the major sales platforms by the looks of it. Also Google Suite and Zapier. That's nice. Convert more meetings into revenue. Again, this is kind of a nice secondary tagline. More ratings. Can you and you can go to them, right? So you can link out. They link out to those sites. Fairly standard footer. Join the Future of Sales newsletter. No, thank you. Okay, let's have a quick look at the demo page. Let's go through this CTA. Analytics cookies, fine. What have we got? Okay, so it's very okay. So they've taken away the primary navigation and the footer. So it's old school, but it works, right? So the only way you can escape this page is to X or go back. So, schedule a meeting with Demodesk. Please follow the instructions to schedule a meeting. What is your business email address? What is your company's HQ? Where is your company's HQ? Okay. What is the size of your revenue team? Okay. What does this little graphic say? Supercharge your revenue team. I like this. I do like their overall kind of visual identity. Then you book the date and your time. So it's kind of a breadcrumb type form submission. So they do this basically so they don't have to have like 10 form fields because like that visual friction will make a lot of people just bounce. So they try and say, okay, we'll collect 3 fields here, maybe 2 fields there, day and time, and then maybe your um, like further segmentation information so that they can classify the lead, maybe in HubSpot or something like that. Um, and also there's that mentality of once I've got through to booking it, I'm halfway there now, so I may as well just finish it. Right, there's like an investment, some cost fallacy, where you just kind of carry on doing it. Okay, that's kind of lean and clean, fairly simple. Ooh, okay, that sort of doesn't work very well. Top teams love Demodesk. That's the founder, isn't it? Yeah, the founder of Pizzonio. Okay, that's nice. I'm gonna have a quick look at scheduling. Like see like what at least one layer in to the website. Okay, the visuals are still nice. Scheduling automation for revenue teams. Book more meetings, achieve fair meeting. Oh, it's the same copy. Spot high intent leads on your website. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean it's not it's not anything unique, right? So you can probably do most things here with yeah, there you go. There's a German. You can probably do most things with a scheduling feature that you can do on HubSpot and stuff. Let's have a look at meetings. Truly engage customers, blah blah blah. Virtual sales room, wow moments. Okay, what other wow moments would be nice to know? Um, I mean, a screen's not really a wow moment, but if they've got cool stuff, then they should talk about it more. GDPR, yeah, made in Germany. Okay, right. So overall, to sum up, Demodesk is a super straightforward looking website and a super straightforward product that can be done, I think, by other products. That doesn't really mean anything, though, right? It's the quality of how something does what it does, even if it's quite similar to other players in the market. In terms of the website, though, which is what we're here to really look at, the messaging is clear. I know what it does. The navigation is super clear. The product marketing and positioning is just 4, right? It's just 4 elements. So there's not like 20 different use cases, 20 different teams it can be used for. It's for salespeople to have better meetings, and here are the 4 things we offer to achieve that: scheduling meetings, assistant, and coaching. And then it can be integrated with the main players in the field. Statistics that back up those claims. The visuals are good. They aren't too busy. They aren't too dense or distracting. Not a lot to say really, so I'm just going to wrap this one up. I'm going to give Demodesk.com an 8. I think it's super simple and non-controversial. So congratulations, Demodesk.